plaster was shot, and the trees and the expansive soil had created cracks, and we patched some cracks about 15 years ago, but it was time to do it over right.
When Eric took out the initial plaster, he found a lot more cracks than he expected.
It's a new layer of rebar, a new layer of gunite, and then the plaster over that. But they chipped out where the big cracks were. They chipped it out all the way to the soil and tied together the rebars. So that should hold a lot longer than the last crack repair. Everything together: time, age, materials, soil, trees. It was time for an upgrade. Lots of individual people wanted to do the job. Eric just felt like he had the right personality to work with us.
Meeting him, it felt right. He was, the way he answered questions, the way he talked about how he would deal with if it had a lot of cracks. It felt like he was going to be honest with us. And now looking at it after, he definitely was honest with us. And
basically, Eric worked with us.
Communications were great. The only issue we had was with weather. So other than that, it would have been perfect. We're really enjoying our yard. It feels very peaceful to come out here and just see it.
We've had dinner almost every evening.
Our son and his girlfriend are very excited to be coming down here and using it.